Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd. Happy Groundhog Day. Weather, actually, I'm speaking about the weather. Whether the sun comes out or not, it definitely is, say, 4 more weeks of winter for me because yesterday, someone threw a little wrench in, didn't give appropriate notice, but that's okay. Everything worked out, and officially, whoop whoop, this is my place. So I can do another 4 more weeks of this. I'm 100% so excited. I know I actually was very flattened yesterday. Just a lot of stress led up to this takeover. So after it was all done, you think I'd be like doing cartwheels and stuff. Like I was just like me. I was like, okay, this is done. I think it's when you've gone through a crazy time, like I just went through, it like you almost can't believe that it's over and you did it. So yeah, I had, I don't know. I just feel like, not like sobbing emotions, like haven't cried about all of this, all the stress. Yeah, I did shed a few tears with just trying to get everything together. So yeah, I can't even talk about it. But tons of gratitude out there for all my peeps. Freaking love you people. Thank you for being on this journey with me. So slowly, well, my ex-boyfriend, ex-roommate is not here. I will be slowly starting to probably do above the cupboards right now. Like not right now. Actually, today I am off earlier. I don't think I have another shift, so I'm going to definitely take that. So I might just clean up there and then start to arrange my books, just to get things out of the way so that I can start to, my plan is to have everything put in like on one side of the apartment so that I can clean the other side out 100% and then put things back. Where I think they're going to go. I'm super excited about. At the front of my apartment, I'm going to make that as my designing studio. So it's going to be lots of pretty yarn and things like that. So I can't wait. So yeah, it's just like big open space. And now it's like I can make it like super pretty. I can put my pictures up. I can make it my own. You know, I can put my skull up. I have like this skull. It's like a silver guy. I think I got it from Winners. You know, that can come out like in my gargoyle. I love my gargoyle, so I had to hide him. So, and my Buddhas. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, my Buddhas. Anyway, here I am. Like, okay, the excitement is starting to like take over my brain a little bit. So, yeah, this is my early morning routine with my cat. Pretty soon it's going to be getting lighter. So things will be changing. And yeah, I did it. Took over everything. Didn't jump for joy again, I'll say that. It was sort of like I talked to somebody and they were like, yeah, like after their marriage ended, it wasn't like a woohoo, you know, like you have feelings that were attached to these people. So it's, you know, you moved into a place, you had high hopes that things were going to work fantastically, and you also had like little dreams of, you know, we're going to buy a van and travel around and, you know, like a couple of hippies sort of things. So yeah, you had these things that were out there, but then again, every single thing that we talked about doing, and I put it over there to him, like build the countertop. Never happened. So anyhow, these are just fantasies. I think that like the carrots, they dangle. So it's exciting, but the excitement is just in your head because you're just thinking about things. So yeah, anyway, with the end of all of that comes like just a peaceful kind of moment where you're just like looking back and you're thinking, yeah, there's a moment of where you're like not super happy because you got here because something didn't work out. But anyhow, such is life. That is what happens to a lot of us. There are only a few people I know. One starts with a J. That's had a relationship for so many years and decades. Like actually, a bunch of people, but it's just one I know personally. So, like, well, personally. Um, so love is real, I guess. We'll see. I don't know what the future's gonna hold, but I'm gonna take my sweet time before I jump in and open up my heart a little bit. And yeah, not in a hurry this time. This is like the new me. This is a February 2. Oh yeah, it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It's all twos today. February 2nd, 2022. So it's a magical day. Great vibes from the universe in numerology. So have a fantastic day out there. Make it what you want. And peace out, sweet peeps. I will send another message soon. Love you.